is RM30. We really want to do something special for our 30th giveaway vehicle here at RestoMods, so we built this 1970 Dodge Charger from the ground up right here in the RestoMods garage, and we built it for you. It's sporting a 426 Gen 3 HEMI from Blueprint engines underneath the hood. Every single piece of this car is brand new, and some of it is completely custom. So you're getting a brand new 1970 Dodge Charger and $50,000 in cash, all for our 30th giveaway here at RestoMods. Claim those entries today, and it could be yours. Good luck.